everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade peanut butter and some almond butter. Two things I love to eat either as sandwiches or just snack with fruit. You won't believe how easy it is, you guys. It is so easy. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click that subscriber button. I really appreciate it. So if you guys want to see how I make these amazing recipes, then keep watching. So start off with the almond butter. I'm going to start out with 3 cups of some raw almonds and 1 tablespoon of canola oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. And for the peanut butter, I'm going to use 2.5 cups of roasted peanuts. And again, 1 tablespoon of canola oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. So I'm just going to pour all my almonds on a cookie sheet and just use my hands just to spread everything all out, just to make sure that all the almonds are in one layer. And I went ahead and preheated my oven at 350 degrees and I'm going to let them roast for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of roasting, you can see that the almonds are slightly golden brown. The roasting is really going to intensify the flavor of the almonds, so I'm going to go ahead and add them to the food processor, tighten on the lid, and begin grinding. Now, if you've never made almond butter, you should know that it goes through different stages, and as you can see, it's a little powdery right now, so you just want to take the top off and just scrape the sides of the processor just to make sure that everything is off the sides and to the center, and just tighten the lid back on and continue on processing. As you continue to process your almonds, you're going to notice that the texture will change. The oils from the almonds are about to release, and the second time that you check on the almonds, you'll see that it begins to look a little pasty, just the way you see it right here. So again, I'm just going to take my rubber spatula, scrape the sides of the food processor, put the top back on, and begin grinding away. So again, I'm going to take the top back off and I'm going to check it once again, and as you can see, it's beginning to really get creamy. Of course, this is not the consistency that I like, but you can see that the oils are really beginning to release from the almonds. But before I start to grind it once more, I'm going to add in the canola oil. And now I'm ready to add in my honey. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top back on and begin to mix again. And you know what, it's always good to allow your processor to rest in between times because you definitely don't want it to overheat. So I think I'm going to check on it one more time, and if this is the consistency that you like, then you can go ahead and stop here. But I think I'm going to go for it one more time because I like it a little bit more creamier. So I'm going to put the top on and just spin it one last time. And I'm going to check on it one more time just to check to see if the consistency is perfect. And yeah, look how creamy that is. It is absolutely perfect. Can't believe that used to be almonds. Look how great that looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it in a glass container. I really prefer glass jars because it really traps in all that air. You want an airtight container. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, put it away for an hour, and I'm going to get started on the peanut butter. So making peanut butter is basically the same thing as making almond butter, except this time I'm going to go ahead and add in the honey and the canola oil at the beginning, put the top on, and begin mixing. So after spinning for about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to take the top off and take a look at it. And like the almond butter, just want to scrape the sides, make sure that everything is put at the center. But you can see that the oils are beginning to release and it's beginning to get creamy. And I'm going to go ahead and give it another spin. And depending on how strong your processor is, it's definitely going to go through its stages, so definitely be patient with it, but in the end it's going to come out beautiful and creamy just like that. Isn't that great, you guys? And just like the almond butter, I'm going to go ahead and pour it into an airtight glass jar, and I still can't believe that used to be peanuts. Look at that. So I'm going to tighten up the lid, and I'm going to let both the almond butter and the peanut butter chill in the refrigerator for an hour. Now after chilling for an hour, look at what we have. Look how great that is, you guys. You can't tell if is that homemade or is that bought from the store. You really can't tell. So you can really enjoy it for breakfast as a spread. I have a bagel here and it's really delicious, so you should absolutely give that a try. Now let's take a look at the peanut butter, and look how yummy and creamy that looks. I'm telling you, it looks like store-bought. Nobody would ever guess that you made that from home. And I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but when you can have it with homemade peanut butter, oh my gosh. Yeah, it's a process, but in the end, it is completely worth it. And we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody that you know. And if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.